PlayStation 2 Slim Repair Guide. PlayStation 2 Slim Disassembly. Flip the PlayStation 2 Slim upside down and remove the 6 plastic screw covers using either your fingernail or a small flat screwdriver. Then, unscrew and remove the 6 screws holding the case together. Using a screwdriver or razor blade, you may need to remove the sticker on the back of the unit. Once you have removed all 6 screws, flip the unit upright, and you should be able to easily lift and remove the top of the case. PlayStation 2 Slim Cooling Fan. To remove the cooling fan, simply remove the 3 screws in the corner of the fan and disconnect the wires. To install a new fan, connect the wires, line up the fan to the screw holes, and replace the 3 screws.